Hi, I wanted to invite you to my deep dive virtual workshop Saturday, February 27th, and the theme is ILLUMINATE. I chose that theme because it's going to be a full moon that day, and in Gentle Somatic Yoga, we like to highlight or bring conscious different ways that we've disconnected with ourselves as a reflex to stress. So over time, these reflexes cause stiffness, pain, and inflexibility, and also postural imbalances. So in Gentle Somatic Yoga, specifically in this workshop, I'm going to teach you approximately 12 somatic movement flows that will help you unwind from these reflexes. And then the result is that you just feel better overall and you have more choice points in your body so you can experience life with more pleasure. So I hope you can join us. And in the meantime, I'm going to turn this camera around because I want you to see this beautiful view that I have right now. There's a little visual postcard from San Francisco. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, guys, I hope to see you soon.